What's up, what's up? I got my Xiaomi body body composition scale to smart fat weight. So I'm gonna open it up. And I don't have another camera, so you can see how it works with the app in my phone, but at least you can see how it works. And we're gonna unbox it. I'm excited. Okay. It's the real one, because if they gave me a fake one, they'll know what's gonna happen. We're gonna report it in Shopee. So, I'm gonna open it up. So, let's fast forward this and then I'll show you. Okay, yay! So finally, we have the Mi Body Composition Scale 2. So, yeah, it shows it's from Xiaomi, the original Xiaomi. Let's see some details. So we can't understand this because it's all in Chinese. I don't know if it's Mandarin or other kind of Chinese. And here, other information you might want to know or see. And at the back, there's nothing. Okay, so let's open the box. What's in the box? Oh, it's sealed. So let's open the seal. Sorry for the wobbly video because this is actually my first time to review. To have a video review. So, okay, this is just an instruction. So, let's pull this out. Let's pull this out first. Oh no, I'm having trouble. Okay. Pull this out also. And there we have it, this real thing. Okay. So you can see it's really classy. So, whoa. I hope there's free battery because we can't use this if there's no battery. So I'll just fast forward this and then I'll show you the final product. Okay, so I guess there's a free battery. And also there's the manual, so let's open this up. Okay. So here's the Xiaomi. It's so glassy. Nice work. I hope I won't get it broken. And look at this. Awesomeness, pure awesomeness. And there. Let's open it up. It's getting too hot in here though. In the Philippines, it's too hot. And here's the battery. I guess it's AAA. It's AAA. You can see. It's just for free. You can buy it anywhere. And here's the manual. It's all in Chinese, so probably won't really need it. So safety is important, so there are some precautions. So of course, when you're gonna use it, you have to ignore the weighing result first when weighing for the first time or after moving the scale, and then you have to avoid stepping on the edge of the scale so that you won't accidentally flip it over, and yeah, potentially you will fall and eventually break the Xiaomi. And you have to place the scale on a hard, flat floor before use. And after weighing, the body fat data will be displayed once the progress bar is complete. So, those are just some English reminders. Thankfully, there's English. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the battery first. Actually, just a side note. I bought this because I bought the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. And because the app has the suggestion to buy the weighing scale, I also opted to buy it because I really want to I want to have a change in my body because I don't want too much weight because I'm overweight already, and so that I can also keep track of my weight so that I'm living a healthy life. Yes, basically I just want to have a healthy life. Yes, because if I want to have to be a bodybuilder, it's gonna be too much for me as of now as a student. But yeah. Okay, so I just plugged in the battery and it's done from loading and it's showing 0.0. Look at the lights and everything. It's awesome. Guys, I'm done testing the Xiaomi Body Scale 2 and it seems great. Yes, I'm sorry I can show you in that what it does during my app but basically this is what it does. It just measures my weight and that indication it measures my body composition. And that's the Xiaomi Scale 2. It's awesome, it's great.